Good evening, sir. Myself, Madhu. I am from CSC section. My topic is about student t-test for single mean in probability statistics. First, the problem. A random sample of 10 boys had the following IQs 70, 120, 110, 101, 88, 83, 95, 98, 107, and 100. A. The Do these data support the assumption of a population mean IQ of 100? Calculate reasonable range in which most of the IQ values are samples of 10 boys lie. Test of significance for small samples. Every important aspect of the sampling theory is the study of the test of significance, which enable us to decide on the basis of sample results if the derivation between the observed sample statistics and the hypothetical parameter value is significant. Second, the derivation between two samples statistic is significant. The following are some important tests for small samples. Number one, student t-test. In the student t-test, three tests are there. Student t-test and a different of means paired t-test. In student t-tests, when sample SD is known, when sample SD is not known. F test and the third one is G square, X square test. Goodness of fit, independence of attributes. Student t-test for single mean simple SD is known procedure. Procedure, if a random sample of n greater than or equal has a simple mean x bar to test the hypothesis of the population mean mu has a specified value mu naught. When the population SD is not known, the test statistic is given by t is equal to x bar minus mu by s by root n minus 1, where x bar is equal to sample mean, mu is equal to population mean, s is equal to sample SD. Student t-test for simple mean sample SD is unknown. The test statistic is given by t is equal to x bar minus mu by s by root n minus 1, where s square is equal to 1 by n minus 1 sigma xi by xi minus x bar whole square. Problem. A random sample of 10 boys had the following IQs 70, 120, 110, 101, 88, 83, 95, 98, 107, and 100. A. Do these data support the assumptions of population mean IQ of 100? Calculate reasonable range in which most of the mean IQ values of sample of 10 boys lie. Solution. Number 1. Null hypothesis. Mu is equal to 100. Alternate hypothesis. H1. Mu is not equals to 100. Loss is equal to 0.05. Test statistics. T is equal to x bar minus mu by s by root n minus 1. X bar is equal to sigma x by n is equal to 97.2. Degree of freedom V is equal to n minus 1, 10 minus 1, n minus 1 is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. S square is equal to 1 by n minus 1 sigma xi minus x bar whole square. Xi and the xi minus x bar whole square values are 70, 120, 110, 101, 88, 83, 95, and finally 98. The xi minus x bar whole square values are 739.84, 519.84, 163.84, 14.44, 84.64, 201.64, 4.84, and finally 0.64. S square is equal to 1 by 9 into 1833.6 is equal to 203.733. S is equal to root of 203.733. S is equal to 14.27. T is equal to 97.2 minus 100 by 14.27 by 3. T is equal to 0.58. Final conclusion. T loss is equal to T 0.05 is equal to T 0.025 is equal to 2.262. T greater than T loss, we accept the null hypothesis. Second, 95% confidence interval is x bar plus or minus T loss S by root n. 97.2 plus or minus 2.262 into 14.27 by root 10 is equal to 86.99, 107.40. Thank you.